Excuse me, would you mind telling me who's the cook?
What's wrong? Is there anything I can help you with?
Well, as you can see, I ordered a chicken katsu, but the chicken is not well cooked.
I really apologize for this mistake. Usually, such things do not happen in our restaurant. I apologize on behalf of my chef.
That's alright. I would appreciate it if you could replace it with a well-cooked dish.
Sure, thank you for your patience.
Okay.